Hi, the Smoking Elk here, and today I'm going to show you how to cook some beautiful breakfast muffins on the Masterbuilt 800. So I absolutely love a breakfast muffin. Obviously we've all go to McDonald's when you're hanging, the double sausage egg McMuffin is a real winner, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to make them on the Masterbuilt 800 using the griddle. Now the Masterbuilt 800 is a great all-rounder of a barbecue. You can grill on it, you can smoke on it, you can bake on it. Today we're going to be using the griddle. So we're going to take these sausages and we're just going to take the meat out of the sausages and form nice little patties. So we're going to just take that meat out of there, grab a bowl, and just skin. Probably, I'm making 6 or 7 muffins today, so going to go in with about 10 to 12 sausages. So let's get these skinned, let's get the meat in there and form them into patties. So that's our sausage patties made. We're just going to season them with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Some of these are formed into balls, some of them are patties, don't worry about that. We're going to smash them down on the griddle anyway. So just a little bit of salt. Remember the sausages have probably got a bit of salt in there anyway. Touch of pepper. And that is pretty much all of the prep that we need to do. So we're going to fire up the Masterbuilt 800, going to load it with charcoal. We're going to light it and we're going to set it. We want the griddle running at about 200 degrees Celsius for this. So we're going to crack on and get that lit, and then we're going to smash the patties down for the sausages. We've got some streaky bacon here, eggs of course. We're going to toast the muffins on the griddle as well, put some cheese on there. It is going to be glorious, so let's crack on. And there we go, how simple was that? Using the Masterbuilt 800, using the griddle to make my breakfast muffins. I cannot wait to tuck into these. They look absolutely glorious. So I'm going to tuck in and I'll see you again soon. On the Smoking Elk, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Hey! I'll see you soon.